Hey tea lovers! We are continuing to focus on some of our newer products this week with a new cozy favorite, organic honey lemon ginger. This tea only has 3 ingredients but is packed full of cozy flavors and is going to be one of my staples this winter. Let's get right into the ingredients of this tea, starting with organic honeybush. Honeybush is a South African herb that comes from the flowering plant called cyclopea. Honeybush tea is sometimes confused with rooibos for its similar color and overall appearance. However, honeybush gets its name from its flavor, which has a striking honey taste. Along with its delicious taste, honeybush is beneficial for heart health, inflammation, cholesterol, and skin health. Up next is organic lemon peel. Along with adding the citrus flavor to this blend, lemon peel adds its own myriad of health benefits. Lemon peel tea is beneficial for lowering your risk of cancer, diabetes, osteoarthritis, and other chronic diseases. Lemon peel also contains vital minerals and vitamins, including calcium and vitamin C. And the third ingredient of this blend is ginger. Ginger has a cozy and warm flavor to add to this blend, along with being a beneficial ingredient for nausea, managing blood pressure, relieving pain and inflammation, and supporting heart health. Now let's make a quick recipe using our organic honey lemon ginger tea. I'm going to start with a tea bag full of my honey lemon ginger in about 6 ounces of hot water. Next, I'm going to take about half a cup of hot almond milk, you can use any milk you like, and add some ground ginger and honey to it. I'm going to give this a good froth with one of our frothers until it's doubled and nice and fluffy. All that's left to do is combine our steeped tea and our milk and enjoy a cozy tea latte. This is definitely going to be one of my winter staples this year, and I added a little bit of ground ginger on top just for decoration. Thank you so much for joining us for Tea of the Week this week. I hope that you enjoyed learning all about organic honey lemon ginger, which is one of my new favorite blends, and I hope you'll give it a try too. Everything you need to shop will be in the description below, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye-bye!